It's hard not to think about our lungs and how we can keep them healthy amidst all the uncertainty of this pandemic. Seeing our economies shut down and a global health crisis is something almost none of us have had to contend with at this level in our lives. Understanding what you can do to help your lungs function at their best will help you in more ways than one, so we are sharing some top tips you can do at home. 1. Practice deep breathing. Did you know that we normally only use about 50% of our lung capacity? Increasing the involvement of your entire lungs can help keep them healthy. Let's take a moment to really examine how our breath works and how we can improve it. When you take a deep breath, your diaphragm, muscles, and lungs work in harmony to draw in oxygen. When you exhale, you expel carbon dioxide. You've probably noticed that taking deeper breaths has a different effect on your body than taking short, shallow breaths. You may also notice that stress tends to make your breathing more shallow and that taking deep breaths can be relaxing. 2. Involve the whole lung. Deeper breaths require greater involvement from more parts of your lungs. That means the lower sections, where mucus can tend to collect, are activated and mucus is dislodged. Deep breathing has been shown to be an effective way to support good lung function for patients with asthma and other respiratory disorders. 3. Diaphragmatic breathing. What exactly does deep breathing mean? Try paying attention to the role your diaphragm plays as you inhale and exhale. It might help if you place a hand on your rib cage or at the top of your belly. You should feel your diaphragm rise as you inhale and lower as you exhale. That simple awareness can help you to consciously expand your lungs. Maintaining good posture with a straight spine will also help you do this. You want to give your ribs space to expand. As well, count slowly with each breath. It should take just as long to exhale as it does to inhale. As an added bonus, this breathing exercise can help you to relax, and we all need more of that right now. Deep breathing can lower the production of stress hormones such as cortisol. 4. Exercise. Moving your body requires effort, oxygen, and therefore deeper breaths, which can improve your lung capacity as well as support your physical health. Do whatever exercise feels good to you while, of course, ensuring that you are still practicing appropriate social distancing. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help thin the mucus in your lungs. As well, proper hydration is necessary for maintaining good health overall, so it should always be a priority. 6. Breathe through your nose to protect your lungs from particles. Those little hairs in your nostrils are there for a reason. They act as filters to keep the air you breathe clean. And they warm the air to minimize the shock to your lungs on a cold day. Breathing through your nose provides a buffer that helps to reduce the amount of extra cleaning work your lungs need to carry out. 7. Laugh more. Yes, it seems simple, but laughing truly is a great exercise to work the abdominal muscles, increase lung capacity and oxygenate the blood. And let's face it, comedy moments are the best exercise ever. 8. Fresh air indoors. As the weather warms up, remember to open up your windows and let the fresh air in. If you live in an area that is busy with traffic, try waiting until nighttime to freshen up your house. Indoor air filters are another way to ensure the air quality in your home is optimal.